Well, this is a Swiffer widget, and the main issue is it's very difficult to open the bottle. So, what is the better way to open this? Basically, use hot water. Basically, what you're going to do is a 2 minute use a microwave, and when water is very boiled type of thing, just leave it for 1 minute, and if it doesn't work, then repeat the process, and maybe you can uh, put bottle for 2 minutes. Now open the bottle, and here you go. Now you can use any of your favorite the cleaning thing, and save environment. All right, thank you. If you like, then please share and subscribe.